Hey y'all, hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a lovely, wonderful day so far. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Today's video, we're gonna be trying out a literal variety pack of plus size swimwear from Walmart. I'm so excited. My daughter and I perused the entire swimwear department this past weekend. We were there for hours. We were really bored. And I just gotta tell you, I didn't try on anything. I don't know why, but I'm very weirded out by Walmart's try on section. It just kind of gives me the uneasies. Is anybody else like that? But if that sounds good to you and you enjoy plus size fashion, but overspending just isn't your thing, then please consider subscribing because that is what we do here. And as always, I'm gonna include all the links to everything mentioned found in the description box below. Okay, y'all, so the first swimsuit that we're gonna be talking about today is gonna be from the brand Time and True. And I just have to say before we even get started, that I am totally and utterly confused with their sizing system this year. I don't know if it's like a new thing that they implemented or something that they started a couple years ago because it's been some time since I've tried Walmart swimwear, but I picked up the first one, which is from the brand Time and True, in a size extra large, which is a 16 to an 18. And then I have other ones that are also from Time and True that are a 1X and they're 16 and 18, and there's no 18 to a 20. So the 2X goes from a 20 to a 22. It's like, where is the size 18 to a 20? Because that's the size that I normally wear on an everyday, day-to-day basis. They don't have that. So I went with a 16 and 18 and I just hope that it works out. We're just hoping for the best here. But with all that being said, this is what the first swimsuit looks like, and I absolutely love the color story of this. It is so pretty. It's perfect for summertime, so it has corals and reds and greens and blacks, and I just love the kind of ferns that go across here. It's very tropical, very summertime. And then it has a gaping stomach area right here that gives you a little bit of modesty with the full bottom, but it also gives you the sexiness of a bikini, which I love. And as to be expected, it does fit a little bit on the snug side. It kind of feels like shapewear, so which might be a good thing, it might be a bad thing, I don't know. But it does have adjustable back straps and a full backside, which is great. Now, one thing I just want to mention really quickly about these swimsuits are the price hike. Like, there was a little bit of a sticker shock for me. So this was $26.98. They used to be like $19.88. I don't know what's going on with the price tags. It's like everything's going up these days. But yeah, this is the final swimsuit, and now on to the next one. So the second swimsuit that we're gonna be talking about today is gonna be once again from the brand Time and True, and I just gotta tell you, I saw this sucker from across the room and was like a laser beam towards it. I am in absolute love with this because of this gorgeous color. So it is like a cross between like an emerald green, a grass green, and a teal. But this one just seems kind of special. So it has the off the shoulder details. So if you like to tan, you can do that, but it also has included straps as well. I will say that I find the straps to be a little bit tugging on the neckline. So if that bothers you, then you might want to steer clear from this one. It also has a tendency to kind of pull the boobs down, which I was so disappointed with because I just had really high hopes for this one. It does have a full back, so it's very modest in the backside, and the fabric is extremely tight. Like, I was expecting the 1X to be a little bit looser and a little bit more comfortable than the extra large. Make it make sense. I don't know what's going on, but for me, I just gotta tell you, this one just didn't work. But with all that being said, I would love to know y'all's opinions about this swimsuit down in the comment section down below. So now we're on to the third swimsuit of the day, and this one is gonna be the perfect mix and match opportunity if you love to mix and match your bikinis. So the top is gonna be from Time and True, and the bottom is gonna be from a brand called Celebrity Pink. I would love to know if you have Celebrity Pink in your local Walmart, please let me know. But they are a junior size, and I gotta tell you, like, their clothes are definitely a little bit on the smaller side, but they run in odd numbers. So 3s, 5s, 7s, 9, you know what I'm talking about. And I just gotta tell you, the top is where it's at. This is one of the best tops that I've tried from Walmart in a really long time. It actually has boning for support. So if you're a big bosomed lady, this is gonna be very supportive for you. It has several adjustable hook holes in the back. So if you need a more customized fit, you're gonna get it with this one, and it also has adjustable shoulder straps as well. Not the most flattering top, I'm afraid, but I gotta say the positives definitely outweigh the negatives when it comes to this one. But like I said earlier, the bottoms are gonna be from the brand Celebrity Pink, and this is what they look like. And I absolutely fell in love with these. The color is just to die for. So it's like a hot pink, but it's sort of a muted and very wearable hot pink. And I love the little eyelet holes and then the little banding or the little belting situation that goes across the stomach. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, that these were one of the only high-waisted bikini bottoms in the whole store. It's like, I don't know what's going on with bikini bottoms these days, but everything has been like skimmed Kardashian, where it's just a band-aid and some string and they call it a day. I don't know what's going on. Ironically enough though, these fit amazing and were the most comfortable piece of the entire bunch. I absolutely love the higher leg. It just makes the leg look a little bit longer and leaner. This is really, really cute. I paid $18 for it and I picked it up in a size 19 and I just love it. All right, y'all, so now we've made it to the fourth and final swimsuit of the entire day, and I just have to give y'all a full disclaimer really quickly. I'm thinking that I may have tried on this swimsuit in a prior video like a couple of years ago. If that's the case, and I definitely will keep y'all updated and let you know in the comment section down below. I'm thinking that I purchased this like 3 years ago, and maybe Walmart has recycled it and then upcharged the difference because this one is $26.98 as well. I just don't know, but I will definitely let y'all know. I think it's kind of a coincidence that I picked the exact same swimsuit, at least theoretically. And I mean, I guess that kind of means something, but this is what it looks like. And this is a really, really pretty kind of stripe design with blue and white accents. But I absolutely love the little fluttery, flirty, what do you call these? I don't know why I couldn't think of that word, but it's ruffles. It's late at night, please forgive me. But nonetheless, whenever you go down the swimsuit, it has this really nice paneling that goes across the stomach. I love that. It kind of cinches in the waist and makes you look kind of right and tight. Yes, indeed. From the waist up, I absolutely love the swimsuit, but from the waist down, ugh. It's just not giving it to me. It's making my hips look a little bit too wide, and I just don't know how to fix that. If it wasn't for that, I would 100% keep this one. And I just have to give credit where credit is due, y'all, because this is the only swimsuit that actually has a built-in bra. It has a built-in bra. It doesn't have those little stupid cylindrical breast pads that every single swimsuit and every single sports bra has these days. They actually thought about the woman's figure. It's 2023. It's not going to be getting lost or stolen or flipping and flopping in your top area. I do love that. So yeah, that is a really, really big positive, and I hope that they continue to move in that direction. But either way, this is a really cute swimsuit, and for me to pick it out twice actually means something. All right, y'all, that is gonna do it for this Walmart plus size swimwear try on haul video. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy in this weird, wild, crazy world that we're living in. And I'm gonna be seeing y'all very, very soon. Bye.